Hello everyone, welcome to the 7th lecture on Microsoft Word, and in this lecture we will be continuing to see more about the insert tab and specifically the illustration section. That is, we have completed pictures in the last video, and in this video we will be seeing other illustrations option. So we saw that online pictures is also can be applied, and in this you need to go and search whatever you want. So for example, the most searched online thing during the morning is actually a good morning message. So let me search that. So let me type good morning and then click enter or click the search option, and then the browser will automatically open and many online good morning message will come. So let me put this good morning message, so that file will be downloaded and it will be added. So you can see when the image automatically comes, there the same format options also comes. So you can remove the background, do some corrections like this, and keep some color variations like this. So many things that can be done, and you can also reset the pictures, put some backgrounds, add many effects such as 3D. Then if you want some text and if you want to wrap it around the text, then you can do that. Then you can rotate the thing, flip it vertically, horizontally, or you can crop certain and remove certain parts, or you can resize the image. So this is how you add an image from the internet. So next is shapes. So Microsoft Word actually provides a lot of shapes for us. So these are all the basic lines, rectangles, basic shapes, arrows, equation shapes, flowchart shapes, stars and banners, callouts, etc. So we can just add, for example, I can put a smiley here, and then whenever I put the smiley here, the format options will be selected, and you can also change the smileys. So basically the smiley smile also as a smiling or a frowning or a normal one. Okay, so a lot of things can be done with this. Then you can also edit the shape actually. So many shapes are available. See, you can change the entire shape itself, and also you can add more shapes. So this is the curve shape, or you can put a polygon shape like that. Many different shapes are available. So you can just draw a line, and then you can draw a text box near that line, and you can edit your text. Let me put hello everyone. So these are all the options which are available. So you can move this actually, and you can create like many different formats also. See, if I select this line, then the line options will come, where I have multiple line options that are available. Okay, so the line colors can be changed. Similarly, when I select this rectangle, you see that rectangle format also comes, and I can change this. And also I can actually create a text box in this also, in which I can write something. And this shape also, if I want this yellow, then that color I can give. Okay, so similarly the outline, that is the text box outline, can also be changed. Okay, and more colors, I have already told you how to look for more colors, and also effects can be done like a rotation, like that. Many things I have told you, glow, many things can be done. Okay, see, so this so if you put if I want to write my name, and then text align option is there, where I can keep it in the middle, or text direction if I want to keep it like this. Okay, so many options are actually available. Position, I wanted to make it in the center, so like that many options are available. Okay, even wrap text is available, square, many things can be done, rotate. So these are all the things that we have already seen. Okay, the same thing actually applies for all the illustration tabs. Okay, so text fill, we saw these text effects, so we can do many transformation effects also. See, like this, so many things can be done. Okay, so you see, if you want your name like this, anything can be done using this insert and shapes option. Okay, so if you want like equation shapes also, that can be made. So if you want this into or cross, so many styles can be made using this. So now let me erase this and make it into a clean slide first. So let me select everything and press delete button, and now If I want to create actually a new different kind of thing, I can create using this new drawing canvas. So actually what happens is a canvas will be created in which I can do anything. See, so many options I can do. For example, a letter kind of thing, mail in which I can write my name. Like that, many options can be created using this insert tab and shapes. Okay, so this is for drawing a new thing. So with this we have completed the shapes thing. So next is smart art. So in smart art, actually a lot of predefined structures are already available in form of matrix and form of pyramids. So for example, let me select all, in which everything will be available. So this is actually used to make actually a basic block list. So many things, if you want to explain concepts which is one after the another, like this, if vertical box concepts you want to explain, so many things are actually available. Or if you want to explain, or if you are doing some project like this, and you can do it with a circle, and then how the work done. So these things, actually I use these things in my project report. So first thing what we did was a literature review. Then what I did was a construction, then construction of hardware, then I did a software application. Like that, many things can be adjusted like this. Okay, so with this I can see, so this will actually look very beautifully. With this we can also change colors also. You can do some formatting options, and also there are a lot of formatting options that is available, and you can also change these styles. So if you want to make it look like 3D, or many different styles are actually available. See, these styles look very nice. And if you want to reset, that is, if you do not want any of these styles to be, if you do not want any of these to be available, you can press the reset and the original thing will start to come. Okay, so with this you can actually do a lot of things in, see, there are a lot of options like gear options that is there. So you can in social studies we would have seen that in political science that legislature, executive and judiciary work in co-inheritance. Okay, so you can give it in like this is legislature, this is executive and judiciary. Like that, many formatting options are like this are available. So you can use all these things, different formatting options, like which are present in smart art. So in smart art it's actually very useful, in which a lot of things can be done. Okay, so this is how we actually edit smart arts. Like that, if you want to give any like your family tree or any things that you want to edit, like that, many things can be done using smart art. Okay, so these are all the different formatting options that are available. And also you can change the layout also, like left hanging, right hanging. You can make this to move right or left, see, and this also to move right or left. So many things like promote, okay, demote, many things are like that. Okay, so we can do a lot of things, text plain. So like that, many options are available, and I leave this for you all to explore. And I have already told you that you can change the color also, color with different hierarchies you can start doing. Okay, so that it looks nice, so that the entire smart art looks presentable. So this is how we upload smart art to the Word. Next is the chart section. The chart section is also used for presentation very nicely. So if you want to present something in a bar graph format or in a line format, you would have seen that these line formats are being used by this COVID update that is being updated, whether the COVID cases are increased, so what is happening. And similarly pie charts, if you want to do any research like the amount of carbon dioxide that is present in the atmosphere, amount of oxygen, like then horizontal bar graph. And also there are different options that are available here. If you want to present like 3D, so if I click this, you see you can do some 3D imaging also. XY scatter plot is also given stock. This scatter plot is mainly used for like regression analysis. So this is radar services that are there. then surface rendering methods, then combination of many different series like cluster, area together. See, area, cluster, different combinations are available. Okay, so these charts are also like a very important thing. So now let me just take this for 3D chart for explanation. So when you select this 3D chart, you can see that there is an Excel sheet that is also opening along with it. Okay, so this Excel sheet is actually used for editing. So see, this is category 1. So these what are available in the rows, that is category 1, is actually available in this, and also you can just make this colors also differently. Okay, and there are many different theme also, and there is a quick layout that is already given. So if you want to change the layouts also, like with legends, so if you see in this layout that legends are given here. So if you want to different layouts without legends, continuous graph, and you can also change the colors also. So monochromatic, that is monochromatic means single, like see, everything will be of a single color but of a different shades, but in this you can see multiple colors. Okay, and you have different styles also, like this. See, many different styles are available, so you can select the style which you want to upload. So I like this style, so let me select this style. So you can also switch to row columns also. So you can add or add an extra category, like that. Many things you can do. So for a series 1, see, so what I've done is I actually switched the rows and columns. See, first I have categories like this which are available in this, but if I want category in this order, then if I press switch row and column, that can be switched, and I can select and edit the data also. So which I can do like this. So for example, let me upload the marks like what we saw in the last lecture. So this is what I have given. I have given a name, and then what I have done is I have given 4 names of my friends and myself also, and then I have uploaded the marks. So when I upload it in the Excel sheet, then immediately the chart will reflect. So see, you can see that the chart's value has been changed. So I can actually add a title naming that it is marks. Okay, marks in different subject. Similarly, actually what I can do is, in this it gives a lot of options. Okay, so first thing, this is the text wrapping. The next thing is, if I want to add any axis or data labels, that can be done. Okay, so if I want, then the marks will be shown like that. Data table, if I want this table to be presented here, so many things. If I do not want the legend, then I can show it here like that. Okay, so these options also can be made. The next one is style. So the styles can be done like can be browsed and can be searched. Okay, so for now let me keep a style like this, so it looks interesting, right? So the next thing what I'm going to do is color. So similarly, color also you can change if you want, say like monochromatic colors. So and like this also you can change the colors, and many different colors also are available. Next is the filter option. This filter option is particularly very useful. Sometimes you want only there is a series and categories section that is shown. Okay, so what are all available? So my name, all these are checked. So if suppose if I do not want my name to be displayed and I do not want the max subject to be displayed. Okay, so I want only these 3 guys name and only science and social. So I uncheck those 2 boxes, and if I put apply, then you can see that the effect actually takes place in this. That is my name. That gets vanished. So only the legends also get adjusted, and also you can see. So if I want to change this, so there is a design option. So this format actually remains the same for everything. So basically it comes, if I switch it into row and column, see, so the marks will come here, so with the range, and also if I select like this, similarly the subject will come here and the legends will become the name, and if I switch options, the names will come here and the legends will become the subject. Then with this options, after selecting this, I can make it into different formats also. So see, I've changed it into pie chart. So with this we can actually change it into any of the following, like for example the line charts like this. I can change it into many things. So with this we have come to the end of this lecture. In this lecture we actually mainly saw about the illustrations, how to add online picture, shapes, smart art, charts, etc. In the next lecture we will be seeing more intricate formatting options for many other different, like how to add a text box. We have seen most of these things, but yet again we will go do a revision. We'll see the rest of the things in the next video. Thank you everyone for patiently listening to me. Hope to see you all in the next video. Thank you.